Morning students. We are going through chapter 8 from Flamingo, and the title of the chapter is Going Places. Children, we know that this chapter is written by A.R. Barton. A.R. Barton, who is a famous modern writer, and in the previous lectures we have read that Sophie told her elder brother Geoff about her meeting with Danny Casey. Danny Casey was a famous Irish footballer. देखिए हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि सोफी ने अपने भाई जियोफ को बताया कि उसकी मुलाकात डैनी केसी से हुई. डैनी केसी वॉज ए फेमस आयरिश फुटबॉलर, जो कि एक फेमस आयरिश फुटबॉलर था. ही बिलोंग टू आयरलैंड. और वो ये भी कहती है कि व्हेन दे मेट ईच अदर, तो ही आस्क्ड डैनी केसी टू गिव एन ऑटोग्राफ for her brother Darren. As that time both of them did not have any paper or pen, so Danny Casey assured her that surely he would meet her the next week and give an autograph. सोफी ने अपने भाई जियोफ को ये भी बताया कि उसने डैनी केसी से ऑटोग्राफ मांगा, और जैसा कि उन दोनों के पास पेन और पेपर नहीं था, इसके कारण उसने ऑटोग्राफ नहीं दिया, और उसने इस बात को एश्योर किया कि नेक्स्ट वीक वो उसे ऑटोग्राफ देगा. तो वी नो इट दैट ऑल द फैमिली मेम्बर्स were very crazy about football. They loved football game much. Now children, we are going to start from the third paragraph on page number 82. Now see the text. On Saturday, they made their weekly pilgrimage to watch United. देखिए, on Saturday, it was the day Saturday. They made their weekly pilgrimage to watch United. All the members of the family, along with Sophie, went to see the football game of the United team. देखिए, अगले सप्ताह सैटरडे के दिन परिवार के सभी लोग, मीन्स एक्सेप्टिंग हर मदर, दे ऑल वेंट टू सी द गेम ऑफ फुटबॉल. सो दे कॉल्ड इट वीकली पिलग्रिमेज, और उन्होंने इसे वीकली पिलग्रिमेज कहकर पुकारा, एक साप्ताहिक तीर्थ यात्रा कहकर पुकारा. जैसा कि on every Saturday they used to go to see football. Sophie and her father and little Derek went down near the goal. Sophie, her father and her younger brother Derek were sitting near the goal. देखिए, सोफी, उसका फादर और उसका छोटा भाई डेरेक गोल के पास बैठे थे. And Geoff, as always, went with his mates higher up, and Geoff was sitting on the upper stairs with his friends. United won 2-0, and Casey drove in the second goal. अब देखिए, यूनाइटेड टीम 2 गोल से जीती, and Casey drove in the second goal, and Casey made the second goal, और डैनी केसी ने सेकंड गोल किया. A blend of innocence and Irish genius. Blend means mixture. He was looking quite innocent, and he was really an Irish prodigy, genius, going round the two big defenders on the edge of the penalty area. On the edge of the penalty area, on the side of the penalty area, two big defenders were standing there. And when Danny Casey was about to make the goal, her father is screaming for him to pass. Sophie's father also became very much excited, and he at once cried, he at once screamed for him to pass and make the goal. And beating the hesitant goalkeeper from a dozen yards. And finally, he beat the goalkeeper from a dozen yards and made the goal. So finally, Danny Casey ने second goal किया. Sophie glowed with pride. Sophie's face was glowed with pride. She was very much proud of Danny Casey. अब देखिए सोफी को Danny Casey पर बड़ा गर्व हुआ. Afterwards, Geoff was ecstatic, and afterwards, Geoff also became very much happy. All the family members were very much fond of football game. I wish he was an Englishman, someone said on the bus. अब देखिए किसी ने बस में कहा, काश वो इंग्लिशमैन होता. When they were returning home by the bus, so someone said on the bus, I wish he was an Englishman. Ireland will win the World Cup. Little Derek told his mother when Sophie brought him home. अब देखिए when they returned home, Little Derek told his mother, Ma, Ireland will win the World Cup. United team will win the match, and really Ireland will win the World Cup. Ireland ही World Cup को जीतेगा. Her father was gone to the pub to celebrate. Her father also went to celebrate the victory of the team to the public house, to the bar. अब देखिए सोफी का फादर भी उनकी जीत का जश्न मनाने के लिए बार में चला गया. What is this you have been telling? Jancy said next week. अब देखिए next week when Sophie met Jancy, Jancy said to her, what is this you have been telling? अभी देखिए नेक्स्ट वीक जब सोफी की मुलाकात जैंसी से होती है. जैंसी वी नो जैंसी एंड सोफी वर गुड फ्रेंड्स एंड दे वर अबाउट टू लीव द स्कूल टुगेदर. तो जैंसी ने कहा कि व्हाट इज दिस यू हैव बीन टेलिंग, तुम किसके बारे में बता रही हो, किसके बारे में बात कर रही हो, अबाउट व्हाट. So Sophie asked, about what? Your Geoff told our friend you met Danny Casey. कहते अरे your elder brother Geoff told our friend, तुम्हारे बड़े भाई Geoff ने हमारे फ्रेंड को बताया that you met Danny Casey, कि तुम्हारी मुलाकात Danny Casey से हुई. This was not an inquisition, just Jancy being nosy. But Sophie was startled. So that was not a kind of interrogation, but she knew, Sophie knew it well. Jancy being nosy, nosy stands for a person who cannot keep anything secret. Sophie was startled. Sophie at once became startled. तो जब देखिए सोफी ने सुना कि जियोफ ने फ्रैंक को बताया कि उसकी मुलाकात डैनी कैसी से हुई, तो सोफी इस बात को सुनकर एकदम चौंक जाती. वो नहीं चाहती कि जेंसी को इस बात का पता चले। उसे पता है कि जेंसी इज ए काइंड ऑफ गर्ल हु कैन नॉट कीप एनीथिंग सीक्रेट। ओह दैट, अरे, जेंसी फ्राउंड सेंसिंग शी वॉज कमिंग। यस दैट, तो जेंसी थॉट दैट शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू हाइड समथिंग। अब जेंसी ने सोचा कि निश्चित रूप से वो कुछ छिपाने का प्रयास कर रही थी। यस डैड, वेल यस आई डिड, यू नेवर डिड, जेंसी एक्सक्लेम्ड। बोले अरे, इट कैन नेवर बी ट्रू। सोफी glared at the ground. Damn that job. This was a job thing, not a Jancy thing. अब देखिए, जब पता चलता है उसे कि जॉब ने बताया, तो शी स्टार्टेड डैमिंग जॉब एंड थॉट दैट इट वाज जॉब थिंग, नॉट ए जेंसी थिंग। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so that's all in this lecture. We shall go through the next lecture in the next video. Thank you.